Weather Authority.
Happy Friday and welcome back. Well, another nice day ahead. This is a current look at South 3rd and Terre Haute on the Graper Post Buildings camera. It is partly sunny and mostly dry as we are taking a look at the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. No precipitation in our area. As for the afternoon, mostly dry conditions. Now, here's a couple of things that we can expect over the next couple of days. Well, that summer heat is going to continue on. Rain returning again on Sunday, and then a change in weather pattern once we do hit the beginning of next week. But for today, highs are going to be in the upper 80s, and here's a look at those numbers for our record high. Now, 97 in 1940. Our record low was 36 degrees in 1991. Quite the difference from this morning, where that low this morning was at 60. Now, right now our temps, we are approaching, almost all of us, the lower 80s again throughout the afternoon. The upper 80s near 90. It is going to be a hot and muggy one, and here's an idea on the next 5 days. So again, a change in pattern once we hit Monday, a cold front moving on through as we are going to start to see some 70s. It's still going to be warm, but we are going to start cooling on down. And then on Sunday, we do have some scattered precipitation. So here's a look at the last 6 hours on the satellite radar. There is quite a bit of activity on there, but when we take a look at our area, not much going on. It has been mostly dry. There was a front further up north, but that really didn't impact us as we have had dry conditions. Now, throughout today, partly sunny skies, and throughout the afternoon, could see an isolated shower. That is possible, but mostly clear for tonight. And then tomorrow, partly sunny as well. It is going to be a dry day, but as you can see on Sunday, we do have some precipitation moving on in, those scattered showers and scattered storms. So for today, highs are going to be near 90, partly sunny. It is going to be a warm afternoon. For tonight, dropping down to about 67, and then tomorrow, highs are in the mid-80s, around 86, partly sunny. There is going to be a slight breeze. It is going to be quite dry. But again, on Sunday, we do have scattered showers and storms moving on into the area as those highs are going to be along the mid-80s. A cold front shortly following after on Monday. Now, Monday looking quite perfect at this time. Sunny conditions. It is going to be in the mid-70s, and those 70s are going to carry on throughout the rest of the week. So we are going to start dropping on down. A big change up in weather pattern, but for today, highs in the upper 80s and partly sunny.
All right, and luckily, even with a little bit of that rain, we're not facing anything anywhere near what's happening in Texas.
Oh no, not at all. What is left of